your first astral projection attempt. Tonight, using exit techniques that actually work. Astral projection has fascinated people for centuries. Across cultures and traditions, there are accounts of individuals experiencing a separation from the physical body and entering what many describe as an expanded state of awareness. Tonight, you're not aiming for something dramatic. You are simply attempting your first conscious shift, your first exploration beyond ordinary perception. Astral projection, sometimes called an out-of-body experience, is the sensation of awareness separating from the physical body, while the body itself remains deeply relaxed. The key is balance. The body must fall asleep, while the mind stays awake. This state often occurs naturally in the moments just before sleep, or in the early morning hours between 4 and 6 a.m., when the boundary between waking and dreaming is thinner. Before attempting any technique, allow your body to relax completely. Lie still. Slow your breathing. Release tension from your jaw, your shoulders, your legs. Do not force anything. Now, let's talk about exit techniques. These are methods that help awareness separate from the physical body. One of the simplest techniques is the rolling method. Imagine yourself slowly rolling to one side, not physically, only mentally. Feel the motion. Picture yourself turning over while your real body remains perfectly still. Do not strain. Just imagine the movement gently. Another effective method is the floating technique. Visualize yourself becoming lighter, as if gravity is loosening its hold. Imagine your head lifting slightly from the pillow, then your shoulders, then your entire body rising upward, effortlessly, like a balloon drifting toward the ceiling. The sitting up technique works in a similar way. While remaining physically still, imagine yourself slowly sitting upright. See the movement clearly in your mind. Feel it happening, but do not move a muscle. All of these techniques work best during a state called hypnagogia. This is the transition between wakefulness and sleep. You may begin to notice dreamlike images, faint sounds, or unusual sensations in the body. This is a good sign. It means your body is relaxing deeply, while your awareness remains present. To stay conscious during this phase, you can count slowly in your mind. 1, 2, 3. If your thoughts drift, gently return to counting. Do not fight the sensations. Observe them. Another powerful method is the rope technique. Imagine a rope hanging above your chest, invisible but reachable. Now imagine reaching up with your non-physical hands and grabbing that rope. Feel the texture. Begin pulling yourself upward, hand over hand. Your physical arms remain still. Only your awareness is climbing. Some people begin to feel a pulling sensation in the chest or a lifting feeling in the stomach. Stay calm. Continue climbing. At some point, you may enter what is known as the vibrational state. This can feel like waves of energy moving through your body, a buzzing, a humming. sometimes strong, sometimes subtle. This is often described as the final stage before separation. The most important thing here is to remain relaxed. Do not panic. Do not become overly excited. Allow the vibrations to build naturally. You may also experience temporary paralysis, an inability to move your physical body. This is normal. It simply means your body has entered a sleep state. Use it. Remain calm. As the experience deepens, you might feel floating, rolling, or shifting position without any physical movement at all. If nothing dramatic happens tonight, that is perfectly fine. Even reaching deep relaxation or feeling vibrations is progress. Astral projection develops over time, through patience, through consistency, through calm observation. Tonight is not about forcing separation. It is about learning the edge between waking and dreaming. Stay relaxed, stay curious, and allow whatever unfolds to happen naturally.